We now have winter. Look how deep the snow is. It was snowing this morning. Yeah, hello, man. Look at that. Oh, look at my feet. This is almost, it's past my ankles. This how much snow we got. Past, whoa, ankle, it is cold. Look at that. We have our snow. This is like past my ankle, so if y'all see, now look how deep that is up in there. Past my I don't see my son thing is all, look, can't even see that. It's dug in, that's dug in, all his toys dug in. And this is just overnight, I guess. So we officially have the snow here in Minnesota. The wind blowing is cold, and it's a lot. So look, his little scooter thing, whatever you call it, stuck in the snow. Toy thing, all of it. It is officially here, and I don't like it. I missed class this week again because of my son and him. Look, I went out there in his jacket to show. It's officially snow here. Now no one can say nothing. Ooh, it's cool. Alright, peace. Woo woo! Look how dark it is. How dark it is out here. Look at the snow. I gotta take the garbage out. This stuff is way up to me. Hold on a second. Man, it's cold. She left the shovel in the front. Why would you leave a shovel in the front? I know that's her way of trying to tell me, but I don't know. I might have to get out here tonight and shovel this stuff. But it is. I got a shovel because, like, if you really look in the way, like, look, all that, it's nighttime. So, let's open my window. Look at that. I'm outside in the house. Number snow. Minnesota finest snow. Let me twist it. I got snow all on my shoes. I don't know. I think I'm about to go out here and just shovel. Not positive. Nah, I think I might wait till tomorrow. Wait till tomorrow morning. See I can see again day 2. Still ain't been in class yet, but well, I seem like I'm forgetting something. I don't think I'm forgetting too much or nothing, but yeah, I was supposed to left, but couldn't leave again. Once again, I stayed home because of my kids. So that's is why. If you see, you see. We already got it. So that's my light right now. But that's all. I just want to show you the house is snowing in all day. I've been in there all day with my kids, so Yeah. So and get that, man. I know I can't wait till next week so I can get back in class. Man, this is just like really killer. I get in class. I'm starting to get the. But alright.